Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome back to the channel. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see all of you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat about everything.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us, maybe walking through a beautiful green park.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow and reach more students around the world.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about how we move from one place to another without hurting our beautiful planet. Today, we are talking about green transportation. So, Bella, let's start with the name. What does green mean in this topic? We aren't talking about the color of a car, right?
No, not exactly. In English, when we say something is green, we mean it is good for the environment. It is eco-friendly.
Exactly. So green transportation means ways of traveling that do not produce a lot of pollution.
Right. Most cars use gasoline or petrol. When they drive, they send dirty smoke into the air. Green transportation tries to stop that.
So, what is the most basic form of green transportation?
I think it is our own two legs. Walking is the greenest way to travel. It is free, it is healthy, and it creates zero pollution.
I love walking, but only if the destination is close. If I have to go 10 kilometers, my legs will be very unhappy.
Mine too. For longer distances, we need other options.
If I don't want to walk, my next favorite choice is a bicycle.
I see you riding your bike to the school every morning, Alex. You look very sporty in your helmet.
Thanks, Bella. I love my bike. Cycling is great because it is faster than walking, but it still uses human energy. No fuel required.
What about electric bikes or e-bikes? I see many people using those now.
E-bikes are fantastic. They have a small motor and a battery. If you're tired or if there's a big hill, the motor helps you pedal.
That sounds perfect for me. I don't like getting sweaty before I start teaching my classes.
There are also electric scooters. You see them everywhere in the city center. You can even rent them using an app on your phone.
They look like fun, but you have to be careful. You must always wear a helmet and follow the traffic rules.
Sometimes we need to go very far or the weather is bad. That is when we use public transportation.
Public transportation means vehicles that many people use together, like buses and trains.
Why is a big bus considered green? It's much bigger than a car.
Good question. It's because one bus can carry 50 people. That means 50 people are not driving 50 separate cars. It saves a lot of energy and reduces traffic.
I see. And many cities now have electric buses. They don't make that loud engine noise and they don't smell like smoke.
I prefer the subway or the metro. Because it is underground, it is very fast and doesn't get stuck in traffic jams.
The train is also a great green choice for traveling between cities. It's much better for the planet than taking an airplane.
I agree. I love sitting by the window on a train and watching the trees go by. It's very relaxing.
Now, Bella, some people really need a car. Maybe they have a big family or they live in the countryside. Can a car be green?
Yes, we now have electric vehicles or EVs. Instead of a gas tank, they have a giant battery.
You don't go to a gas station, you go to a charging station. You plug the car into electricity, just like your phone.
My neighbor has an electric car. It is so quiet, sometimes I don't even hear him drive past my house.
They are becoming very popular. The only problem is that sometimes it takes a long time to charge the battery.
True, but the technology is getting better every year. There are also hybrid cars.
A hybrid uses both electricity and gasoline. It's like a bridge between the old way and the new way.
Alex, why should our students care about green transportation?
There are so many reasons. First, it saves money. Gasoline is very expensive. Walking and cycling are free.
Second, it is better for our health. Walking and cycling are great exercises for the heart and lungs.
And third, it makes our cities more beautiful. Less cars means less noise and cleaner air to breathe.
I noticed that during the holidays when fewer people drive, the sky looks much bluer.
Exactly. It's about protecting the world for the future.
Alex, do you remember when you tried to teach me how to ride a unicycle?
Oh no, I thought it would be the ultimate green transportation, only one wheel.
It was a disaster. I fell into the bushes 3 times. I decided that 2 wheels are much better than one.
Well, at least the bushes were green. You were very eco-friendly that day.
You are so silly. And remember when we tried to take the bus to that mountain trail, but we got on the wrong bus?
Yes, we ended up at the shopping mall instead of the forest. We spent the whole day eating ice cream.
Well, we used public transportation, so it was still a green day, even if we didn't see any trees.
That's the spirit, Bella. Even when we make mistakes, we can still try to be kind to the earth.
Alex, what vocabulary should our students focus on for this topic?
Focus on the different modes of transport: bicycle, bus, train, electric car, scooter.
And the adjectives: eco-friendly, green, quiet, clean, public.
A good tip for beginners: try to use the verb take. We say take the bus, take the train, or take the subway.
But for a bicycle, we say ride. I ride my bike to work.
And for walking, you can just say go on foot. I go to the shop on foot.
Try to write down how you got to work or school today in English. It's a simple way to practice.
Well, Bella, it's time for me to go. I'm going to ride my bike home now.
And I am going to walk to the station to take the train.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope you learned some useful words to talk about the environment and travel.
What about you? How do you travel to work or school? Do you use green transportation?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories. It is the best way to practice your English.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It really helps Ready Talk reach more students who want to learn.
And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button. Join our community and let's protect the planet while we learn.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You are doing a fantastic job.
We will see you in the next video with another interesting topic.
Until then, stay green and keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.